All right, guys, here we go. Back out at the ponds, a little dirt bike ride. Riding the 04 KX250. Just kind of out having some fun today. Keeping it mellow. Basically sat around today too long to make it up to the peak for a ride, so decided to take the KX250 out over to the ponds, put in some laps. Definitely better than no riding at all. Actually had a pretty good time. Quite a few people over here, of course, so that's always a bit of a challenge to make sure that you're not getting in anybody's way or nobody's getting in your way. Bike ran really good. Took me a little bit to get used to it, even though it wasn't but a month ago I think I was riding it. But definitely felt very foreign compared to my KTM. But it also felt very fast. The bike's fun to ride. Plenty of power. Suspension's so-so. But put in a couple motos today. Got a decent little workout out of it. And yeah, it was definitely better than sitting around. Don't have a whole lot to talk about on this one. Bike ran great. Didn't have any mishaps. Kept it on two wheels. Rode pretty mellow. A little bit of aggression, but not too bad. I don't know. Just putting in laps, trying to do some solid laps and be consistent. Working on keeping my feet on the pegs a little bit. And standing up a little bit. This dirt is really hard packed with a lot of rocks, so it's really loose. Not quite like riding on ice, but fairly similar. The only time this dirt's good is when it's wet, and you can see close to the puddles that there's some good looking dirt under there. But most of the dry stuff, it wasn't worth spinning your tires on. Tires are expensive nowadays, so you're not going to go anywhere fast. This stuff is really loose, so you can hear I'm just keeping the RPMs down a little bit. Kind of some fun berms here, working on standing up through this one, sitting into this one. And coming out of this one, I just try to lay off the throttle as much as I can. These are just some little bumps here. Doesn't look like much on the GoPro, but it's kind of a fun little jump section. Tight little turn here. This is pretty much the course I run out here when I'm out here. Very similar every time I come out here. I don't know, it's kind of fun. Got some right turns, got some left turns, some sweepers, some tight stuff. Some bumps. No jumps. Mainly because I'm not a big jumper anymore. Jumping's fun right up until it isn't, right? Didn't get a ride in last weekend. Just kind of taking it easy a little bit. Got some small little nagging injuries. I'm trying to see where I sit with that. Nothing major, no big deal, but just some little stuff I wanted to give a break. This place is pretty close to my house, so it doesn't take me long to get over here. I didn't get out of the house till I think 1 o'clock today to get over here. Kind of figured there wouldn't be many people over here, but there were quite a few people over here. A lot of beginner riders come over here. It's not a bad spot for beginners. It's all flat, loose dirt, not a lot of traction in it. Honestly, probably not a great place to spend a lot of time because it's so flat you don't really get used to using your brakes much. It's a fun place to go tool around a little bit, but unless you're pushing and actively setting up courses or practicing skills, you just kind of ride around out here in a circle. It's really not that much fun. So looking forward to the upcoming race season. Still haven't totally decided what series I'm going to run. I'm going to run at least some AMA West Air Scramble. I'm going to run at least some OMRA and some Mag 7 stuff. I'm kind of more interested in trying to run a full season of OMRA, but again, I'm kind of playing it by ear right now. Pretty excited about getting started in it. I feel like I'm waiting. Luckily, I'm mostly healthy, so I'm not trying to heal up or anything. Everything's pretty good. Bike's running good. But yeah, there's nothing like racing to figure out where you're at and where the bike's at. So, of course, I'll be racing my 2019 KTM 250 XC again, and I've done some changes. NV2's done some suspension work for me. Bike's running really well, but again, until you're actually out there racing, you're really not going to know for sure. So excited to get the season started. Can't wait to get it rolling. Sorry about this video. I know it's not super exciting, but it's something. Riding at the ponds, not too exciting, but better than sitting on the couch, right? Anyhow, that's about all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, I'm out.